60 Seconds Traffic Pro Review. Best Adsense Alternative 2022. Question: what do you think will happen when an unstoppable force meets with an immovable object? For better clarity of this question, what do you think will happen when affiliate links meet with real organic traffic? When affiliate links meet with traffic, sales are inevitable. Qualitative and quantitative traffic drive is what guarantees sales. In this video, you will learn how to make money online in 2022 by sending traffic to your links using an app called 60 Seconds Traffic Pro. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is a patent-pending app that sends up to 150 plus free leads and buyers to any affiliate link. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is a good Google AdSense alternative. Before I tell you to click on the first link in the description of this video to get instant access, it will be important for you to know some vital information about this app. 1. It is the first ever patent-pending free traffic app and a new traffic source. 2. It is programmed 100% free traffic in 60 seconds to deliver an autopilot. It is a good AdSense alternative. 3. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro delivers thousands of free leads and buyers to any link and works in any niche. It is dependent and one of the best new traffic source. 4. 60 Seconds Traffic Pro is fast, free, and 100% newbie friendly. Click on the first link in the description of this video to get 60 Seconds Pro, the buyer's new traffic source. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Smart Software TV for more content. We are the best of the best.